Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to change the theme in your Discord. And yeah, let me show you how to do it. As you can see, my theme is changed. So how to do it? So first open your browser here and search for better Discord like this and click on the first link here. Then click on download and download this file here, bandage bd Windows if you have a Windows. If you have a Mac, just download for Mac. And yeah, so here you have a Windows, of course. As you can see, the file is here. Just run it. Yes, actually I've already downloaded it but I'm gonna show you how to install it. So click on agree, install, check it off this install to stable, and click on install. And when it's ready, you'll be on your Discord. Yeah, but that is not all. Actually, you have to choose some theme to download some theme from their official site. I mean, from the better Discord official site. So, searching Google for better Discord themes like this, and click on the first link here and choose some random theme that you want to download and to set up on your Discord. So let's say this one. This looks so cool. Yep, click on download, wait a few seconds, and as you can see, it's here. But how to set up it here? So click on open your Discord and click on settings here and scroll down till you find themes here. And as you can see, you have this I have this theme here. But if you want to add some another theme here, just click on open theme folder here and then drag the downloaded file from here to the theme folder. And then as you can see here, we have this theme that we recently downloaded. So check it off, check it, and as you can see, we have a new theme on our Discord. And that was it, how to add themes on your Discord server. If I helped you out, make sure to give it a like, and also if you have some problems, if you have some questions, comment down below the video in the comments and I'll try to respond in a few days. And see you next video. Bye.